Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer project. So it's taken me a while to get more work done on this. Basically, I added another register here. It's these three boards right there. So at first, this one also feeds directly into the ALU, and at first the top board, which is the board that actually feeds into the ALU, didn't quite work. So I had to replace it, and it still turns out that there's a little bit wrong with it. The board itself is fine, but the actual memory, which is the third one down there, is actually still broken, but it's just these two bits on the end. So both the registers now are tied to the same bus. So if I put a 1 in here, if I put this switch down, it puts it into one of the buses, and you can see I get a 1. If I switch it the other way, it puts it into the other bus, into the other register, and I get a 2. So only these switches are used now. It's kind of the wrong ones. I actually want these ones to be used, but that's kind of an easy switch. I'll just put it over to these. And the idea is that just one set of 8 bits will be the data, and the other set of 8 bits will be the address for like RAM and stuff. And these buttons up here will be for special things like write into register A, write into register B. There'll be a register C and possibly one for the display register, which is that one there. Yeah, so I'll show you what's wrong. So if I do all these, well, I could do any one of these bits and it works fine. See, I turn it on, turn it off, and this one, turn it on, turn it off, it's fine. These two at the end there doesn't turn on unless you do both of them. And you can turn them off individually, but you just can't turn either one of them on unless they're both on. So I think what's happened there is that the way it works is when it's got a connection to ground, it's not allowed to write. And I think there's a short somewhere where it's connecting these last two bits together. So if one of them's connected to ground, the other one won't write either. So the only way to write is to have both of them on, unless one of them's already on. Yeah. So that's going to be annoying. It's not so bad. The way those are tied together is actually quite easy to just take that one off there and disconnect it from the back and just take all 3 of those boards off. Because I think the problem is in the actual memory board, I won't need to take any of that actually apart. Just take the 3 top boards off, like the one register, turn it upside down, find the short and fix it. And hopefully that solves that issue. But otherwise, yeah. Actually, wait, what am I doing? Let's get a 3 out of this. There we go. But yeah, that's what I've got so far. I'll fix that, and I'm going to try and put in the program counter, because I've already got that built. It just needs a register on top. Well, not a register, a tri-state buffer. It just needs a buffer on top to output to the bus. It's already got stuff in it to read from the bus. It just needs to output it as well. And then I can start showing this counting up and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.